Let's be honest, how many times have you made to-do list and ended up doing everything except the actual work? You organized your desk, made to-do list, and did every single arrangement, but that one important task still sitting there mocking you. The video you are watching right now. It almost took me 3 years to make this video just because of procrastination. And I don't want you to waste those 3 years just like me to start. Smart people procrastinate more due to overthinking. Let me tell you the story of Ram and Sham, who both wanted to become content creators. Ram was perfectionist. He took courses, watched endless tutorial videos, studied animation software, researched the perfect equipment. He spent months preparing to start. Sham, he learned the basics in a week, started uploading videos with his phone, and decided he would improve step by step. 6 months later, Sham had 180 such videos online, each one better than the last. He had a growing audience, real skills, and actual results. Ram still stuck making perfect edits, still choosing the perfect software, still preparing to start someday. That's the brutal difference between chasing perfection and chasing progress.
The first mistake which is killing your dreams is perfectionism. You waste so much of your mental energy for planning the perfect approach that you become exhausted before you ever begin.
Think about it. Remember the last thing you planned? A trip with friends, a fitness routine, or a business idea. You spent so much of your energy in the planning phase that when it came time to execute, you felt drained. The excitement was gone, the plan got cancelled or half-heartedly attempted. It is what perfectionism really is. It's a fear, wearing a fancy mask, fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of not being good enough. But here's the secret. Execution beats perfection every single time.
You have to launch fast, learn fast because progress loves speed.
Your first attempt will suck. Your second will be better. Your 100 will be amazing. But attempt 0, that gets you nowhere. Let's do a quick exercise. Think of one thing you have been preparing on to start for a month. What would happen if you started it today imperfectly? Write it down. I'm damn sure that it's always easy to start, but we are the ones who delay the things and make it difficult by procrastination. Mistake 2. Ignoring your environment. The second mistake is not setting up your environment for success. How many times have you said, I'll wake up tomorrow early in the morning, while your phone charging next to your bed, ready to suck you into the spiral scroll? The moment you wake up, your environment shapes your behavior more than your willpower ever will.
Want to wake up early? Don't just set alarms. Sleep early. Set multiple alarms and put your phone in another room. So you have to wake up to pick that phone.
Want to study consistently? Don't rely on motivation. Join library. Remove distractions. Create a dedicated study space. Want to eat healthier? Don't test your willpower against the fridge full of junk food. Remove the junk. Stock up on healthy options. Your environment should make good choices easy and bad choices hard.
You have to create friction for that bad choices. That it would be so difficult to choose that bad choices.
Most people try to change their behavior without changing their environment. That's like trying to swim upstream. Possible but unnecessarily exhausting. Mistake 3. The motivation trap is the third mistake, waiting to feel motivated. You don't have to feel good to get started, but you have to get started to feel good.
I see this all the time. People create a very perfect schedule and follows it. Day 1 goes perfectly. Day 2, yeah, okay. Day 3, they feel like, yeah, I'm winning it. But on the day 4, the initial excitement gets over and they skip one day. And skipping one day, they feel like they broke the streak and they gave up entirely. Here's where ambitious people get wrong. Motivation comes first, then action. But in reality, it's actually opposite.
Action creates motivation, not the other way around. You don't get distracted because you are bored. You get distracted because you can't see your progress. And progress is happiness.
Think about it, when you do something consistently and the progress is visible, you feel happiness and you feel like doing it continuously. That's how you make habits. You write schedules, make to-do list and do everything except the actual work. The CEO doesn't feel like taking difficult decisions every day. The athlete doesn't feel like practicing when it's raining. Look at the Virat Kohli. There is not even a single day he doesn't practice. They do it anyway. Whatever be the situation, that's what is the attitude of successful people. They prioritize their work.
The energy management secret. Stop managing time, start managing energy. Work with your natural energy patterns, not against them. You have roughly the same 24 hours as everyone else, but your energy, that varies dramatically based on what you are doing and who you are around. Pay attention to this. Who gives you energy? who drains it? When do you feel most focused? When does your brain feel like mush? What activities energize you? What activities leave you feeling depressed? If you are sharp in the morning, do your hardest work then. If you are a night owl, embrace it. Stop forcing yourself into somebody else's productivity system. The focus protocol. Want to achieve something really important? Become hard to reach. I'm serious. When you are working on something that matters, treat your attention like the value or resource it is. Study shows that when we are given a task, we think about how much time we have to complete, not how much time we actually need to. This is called Parkinson's law. Give yourself a week to write a report, you will take the full week. Give yourself 2 days, you will somehow get it done in 2 days. Turn up the pressure. The work will fill up the time allocated to it. The quality often remains the same. Here's the truth no one wants to hear. The biggest obstacle is always one in your head. There is no magic secret about what to do and where to start. The secret is actually starting. Everything you want is out there waiting for you. The skills, the opportunities, the life you dream about. It's all available. But the only thing stopping you from becoming the real you is you. Every day you wait is a day stolen from your future self. Every excuse you make is a dream you are killing. Every tomorrow is a today you are wasting. But every small action you take today is a step towards the person you are meant to become. Failure moves us forward. So start, fall, and start again. Don't stop until you reach your goal.
Your dreams are not so big. You are not so small. You are not so late. You are not so broken.
You're exactly where you need to be start, becoming who you are meant to be. The only difference between the life you are living and the life you want, something who looks exactly like you, but decided to start. That someone can be you, that someday can be today. The dream can be your reality. The biggest obstacle is always the one in your head. Stop watching, start doing. Your future self is waiting for you.